Hello everyone, welcome to the fifth part of this tutorial series. In last video we created a whole indicator script and finished everything on whole indicator component. And we started working on a game controller script. Today we will continue working on a game controller script and link it with all other components. And at the end we will have a working game. So let's continue. Like every other game, this also has UI elements, so we need to display ball count, score, bonus score, and game over indicator. Let's create a canvas, name it the game canvas, and change render mode to world space. Scale it and adjust size so it fits to the bottom black bar. Set sorting layer to UI and order in layer to 4. Next, add the panel as a child object of a canvas, center it and resize it. Set color a little different from background. Now add all text fields. First add ball, bonus, score, and game over text. Set color to something like red. After that, create text fields which will be modified and used to display ball text, bonus score text, and game over text. Name text fields accordingly so you can recognize them later. Now let's jump into game controller script. As usual, add some variables first. Variable for score and bonus score. Current ball number and number of balls per game to track how many balls we used and to check if we failed the game. We also need to track current hole index so we know to which hole ball needs to go. In this game, for each hole you get a bonus score, and that score goes down as time passes. So we need time between bonus score decrement and bonus score decrement variables. Set them as you like. In my case, I set them to 3 seconds between decrements, and bonus score decrement is 10. So every 3 seconds bonus score will be decreased by 10. We need 2 states, game completed state and game over state. And last are UI reference to text fields. Add 4 text reference for ball, score, bonus score, and game over text. In Unity, assign text variables in editor. Inside game controller script, we need to create some functions. So let's start with basic ones. First, create an update UI function. This function will update all UI elements to current state. We will update ball text, score text, and bonus score text to appropriate values. Next, recalculate score function, which will be called when ball drops into hole. It will add bonus score to the score variable, and after that we will call update UI function. Next function is decrease bonus score. We need to check if current bonus score is greater or equal to decrement value and decrease it by decrement value. getCurrentHole function returns current lit hole. ResetBall function calls function on the ball to reset ball properties. NextHole function switches us to next hole and set the value of bonus score, and as we change the bonus score value we need to update UI. ResetGame function will be called when we start the game or when we want to restart the current game, so we need to reset all values to start values and update UI after that. StartGame function calls ResetGame function, and on metal bar controller calls function moveBar to start. After that, game starts. Ready for next hole is function that we call when everything is prepared and metal bar is in right place. So set hole indicator to pulsate and start to decrement bonus score periodically. For that use invoke repeating. First parameter is name of function, second is delay before starts, and last parameter is repeat rate. Delay and repeat rate is time per decrement. Delay and repeat rate is time per decrement, and also call update UI. Next function is little more complicated. The handle ball in the hole has one bool parameter, which checks if ball is dropped into right hole. First we need to stop decreasing bonus score with cancel invoke function and put name of function you want to stop. If we hit right hole, stop pulsating on hole indicator. After that recalculate score. Now we need to check if this is the last hole. If current hole index is less than a hole count -1, call the next hole function. If not, that means that we hit the last hole and set the game completed state to true. If we hit wrong hole, then increase the current ball number. After that, check if current ball number is greater than a number of balls per game. If true, set game over state to true and turn off pulsating on hole indicator. Attend a function, call moveBar to bottom position function on the metal bar controller. On metal bar controller script, in moveBar to start position coroutine, attend with game controller instance call ready for next hole function. Inside moveBar to bottom position coroutine, after bar goes all the way down, we need to call resetBall function to return ball to original position and original parameters. After that, check if game completed state and game over state are false, and call coroutine moveBar to start position. In ball script, inside on trigger enter 2D, we need to check if we hit right hole, so we check if hole we collide is equal to game controller instance function getCurrentHole, which returns the current active hole. If true, call handleBall in hole function with true parameter from a game controller script. If false, call same function with false parameter. Now in the editor we will create a button to start the game. And bind on click event to start game function from the game controller. After that, when we play and start game with start button, game works. When you hit right hole, you get the bonus score and it switches to next hole. Bonus score is decreasing periodically, and if you miss hole 3 times or hit all holes in right order, the game ends. So that's it for this video. We connected all components and have working game. For the next one we will add joystick support and more game polishing, so stay tuned for more. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like it, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you want to support me more, you can buy one of my assets at Unity Asset Store. Follow me on socials, all links are in the description. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.